Good evening to everyone. So today's topic is again the old mechanism. Will deal with your MCQ, Java, string, and I have added one more thing over here, your number program. Number program is also added in this scenario. I will tell you regarding number system also. So in this number system, I will tell you that I'm going to accept a number and I will find it out the middle digit of the number. So if I want to get a middle digit of a number, then in that case, what I need to do? I need to find it out first of all whether it is odd or not. If it is odd, then we can find out the middle digit. Otherwise, we cannot find it out the middle digit of the number. So let's start our processing regarding this. Good evening to all. Okay, so now the first question says that which of the following is the correct expression? Which of the following is the correct expression that evaluates to true if number x is between 1 and 100? Simultaneously, quickly you have to give the answer. I'm giving you the options earlier. So x, the number is stored in x, which must be between 1 and 100, and also it says that it must not be negative. So either the number is between 1 and 100 or it must not be negative. In that case, what should I do? Your options are available as early as possible. I am giving you the options. So the first option says that 1 is less than x and x is less than 100, or option is available, because here it is emphasizing on or. That we have to think about. Here it is emphasizing on or, and it says that x is less than 0, which is also for negative. So I'm waiting for your answer because it is quite easy one, the simplest one. So that's why I want you should give the answer. Good evening to everyone. The more quickly you will give the answer, the more questions I can provide you, more explanation I can give you. So do it as quick as possible. Listen, you have to concentrate the theoretical part of this. It is asking about access to be compared, but the condition is says that it must be between 1 and 100, as well as it is talking about the negative 1, and you have to see the relationship between P Sai Sankar. Quick to give the answer. May I know in which class you are reading? P Sai Subhankar. I think P Sai Subhankar 8th class. Yes, I got it. Om option is B. Om is answer is B. Okay. Now Sai Subhankar has changed his answer. What about others? Look, 8th class is trying to give the answer. P Sai Subhankar 9th class. Okay. Priyambada Sahu B. Option B. Okay. So let me explain. This is not possible because we cannot give a condition like this. This is an invalid condition, so that's why I'm just putting cross mark over here. This is a valid condition where it says that your x value is less than 100 and x value is greater than 1. That means obviously it is talking about between 1 and 100. It is talking about 1 and your 100, where both is available as per my question. Now it is talking about or. So that's why or operator is given over here. X is less than 0 is talking about negative. So this is the correct answer. This is wrong because and is used. And this is wrong because again the expression is given in wrong way. So the correct answer is your B, option B. So let me see how many of you have given answer option B. Shravani not given, and Sweetie Panda is given. Rakesh Patra not given answer. Let it be wrong, I won't mind, but you should answer. Then only you will come to know that how I have evaluated and what exactly the answer should be. Subham not answered, Udita not answered. I will request all the candidates to give their answer. Don't hesitate whether it will be right or wrong. Okay, so let's move for the next question. Now here it is talking about OR operator. Last time we discussed this one with your AND operator, and same mechanism is applied over here. So now I am applying OR operator. So be careful about it. Now you have to think the expression. I will request every candidate has to give the answer so that you will think that yes, my answer was this and actually the answer is this. कुछ खुद का इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए. खुद का आंसर दो बेटा, गलत हो सही हो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, एग्जाम में आप खुद ही लिखोगे आपका आंसर. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर as quick as possible. Give me your answer so that we can move towards the next question. Now here it is saying that plus a is equals to 20. So that means it is then pre-increment is used and OR operator is used. We have two conditions. Now think about what is the use of your OR operator. Thereafter you have to think about, yes, we got the answer. B. Mohan Samantray say B. Okay. B is the option, that is true. 2110. Acha. P Sai Subhankar says C. Answer true. 2110. True. 2110 means option C. Om says option C. Sweetie Panda say, Udita say B. True. 2110. Okay. Still I am waiting for answer of Savani is not giving. Rakesh is not giving. Okay, Udita answer is C. Samarth Patnaik says B. Good. Badal Raj Sahu says C. Subham Swai says C. Om Prasad Panigrahi says C. Hi Sweetie says C. Fine. Soumya Ranjan Panda C. Okay, so I got the merged answer between B and C. B and C में आपका टैली हो रहा है. तो चलो थोड़ा इसको क्लियर करके हम लोग देख लेते हैं क्या होता है आपका. पहले आप आंसर देख लीजिए. आंसर विल लाइक दिस, ट्रू 21 and 11. That is your option B is your right answer. Now why option B is your right answer? Why option C is your wrong answer? So let me explain you. Now what is the value of A? A value is 20. Now what is the value of B? B value is your 10. Okay. Now after this I am using plus A, that is pre-increment. So that's why it will become your 21. Fine. Now 21 is equal to 20. The condition will be violated. It becomes your false. Now look at your OR. Now OR says that if one of the condition is true, result is true. So if one of the condition is true, result will be your true. But the first answer is false. So that's why it is bound to evaluate this one. Because false, if this result will false, the final result will be your false. But if this one is your true, this one is your true, the result will be true. So that's why it cannot get conclude. It cannot get conclusion because this is your false. So because of that reason, it will evaluate this one. Now it is plus B. That means it becomes 11. Now 11 less than 25. It is your false. Now if both the condition is false, the result is false. So that's why your result is true or false. Now who can say? Here it is saying plus B is less than 25. I said false. You all are agree with me, or it is true. Because 11 less than 25. 11 less than 25 is your true part. This is your true part. Now final result got false or true. False or true. Final result is your true. So though it is true, it will get inside and it display true. So that's why I am getting this true. Now after that I am displaying A value, where A value is your 21. Now after that I am displaying B value, where B value is 11. Hope I am clear to everyone. No sir, it is true. Yes, Soumya Ranjan, rightly observed. So in every class, I used to do some mistake and you have to identify. Yes, Priyambada, so true. Fine, excellent. So concentrate on each wording I am saying and you have to rectify it. Now understood? Now we'll move for the next question. Again, it is based on or only. Now I'm not going to give any hint to you. You will do this one. Yes, sir. Suvam sir. Yes, sir. Fine. Now those who have given C, they might have understood what is the reason why it is not. Next question is in front of you. ना अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है ये क्वेश्चन सिलेक्शन इस बार का तो एक लाइक मार दो सारे. द कैंडिडेट दोज आर अवेलेबल गिव अ लाइक. क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. P Sai Suvankar says B. Om says B. Fine. Now this time you are saying 21 and 10. Subham Sai B. Good. Pratyush B. Priyambada true. 21 and 10. Yes, Mohan Samantray. Now Shravani is answering. Good. I like this kind of attitude. Let it be wrong or right, you have to answer. I Sweetie says B. Good. Udita Panda B. Now everyone is giving correct answer this time. Badal Raj B. Excellent. If you will understand the question like this, ऐसा कौन सा कैंडिडेट है वो डरेगा अब एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन के लिए. अगर ऐसे ही आपको समझ में आ रहा है क्वेश्चन आंसर. रोशन पात्रो ट्रू. आई थिंक रोशन पात्रो फ्रॉम MAV. Roshan Patra, are you from MAV school? So now everyone got B. B is your 21 and 10. B is your 21 and 10. But there is C is also there 21 and 10. Acha. So let's discuss now. So almost you got the right answer. Almost everybody. But you might have not seen that I'm having a space over here and it is not a space. It is an empty one. And after true, I don't have. Look at this. This is your space. But after true, I don't have any space. And here it is print, not println. So after true, obviously there should not be any space for A. So let me again explain you this. Everybody has understood, but I think few have not answered or few might have copied their answer from others to get the praise of the teacher. A is your 20. So again, old mechanism I'm applying. Plus plus A is going to be evaluated. So that's why it will become your 21. Now 21 equals to 21. It is true. Now as I said that either of the condition is true, result is true. So whether it will be false, whether it will be true, the final result will be true. So that's why it is not going to evaluate this one. अब ये evaluate नहीं होगा. So now if it is not evaluated and it is true, that means it will get inside. Now it will display true. So I'm showing you the answer. It will display true. Now there should not be any space, but in case of C there is a space. No doubt both are having 21 and 10, but here tactfully they have given a space. So that's why C cannot be your answer. It is B is your answer because A value is your 21 and B value is your 10. So that's why be careful about the options that you're looking for. Excellent. Roshan Patra, yes, you are from MAV. Okay. तो चलो अभी भी कुछ लाइक बाकी है यहाँ पे मुझे दिख रहा है. अभी भी कुछ कैंडिडेट्स ने लाइक नहीं मारा है, मतलब उनको क्वेश्चन अच्छा नहीं लग रहा अभी तक. Let's go for the next question. It says that if A is greater than B, display A, otherwise display B. Which of the following conversion is valid? Now these are the conversion mechanism. It is trying to convert if condition to your ternary operator. Now observe carefully and answer the question. These are very simple question I have selected. So yes, अब लग रहा है कि मेरा क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है. Okay, Om answer is saying C. Okay, now C and D options are close to each other. A and B options are close to each other. So be careful. Look at what exactly it is saying. Santosh Kumar. Now, if everybody is saying option C, can you tell me the reason why it is not A? Okay, now tell me why answer A is not correct. Because A is also find out the biggest number. A is greater than B, result is A, otherwise result is B. Now in case of C also, if A is greater than B, result is A, otherwise B. If both answers are same, A and C are same, then why your answer is C, why not A? I can understand this is wrong because if A is greater than B, it is returning B value. Where here it says A is greater than B, it returns A value. So that's why this is wrong and this one is wrong. But these two are candidate answer, A and C. Why you have chosen? Now Megha Patnaik says that because it is directly displaying. A is not printing. Good. In case of option A, it is not printing, but here it is saying that if A is greater than B, then display the result. But here it is storing the result. Because of that reason, it is not the correct answer and option C is your right answer. Next. Now we have done few questions related to this also. Sir, it is not displaying in result. Good, excellent. Roshan, result is not initiate in the question. No, result is not initiate in the sense variables are not required for this conversion. Variable initial value is not required for the conversion mechanism. Only we have to follow the mechanism of changing the data. So the next question, we have already did this kind of things with the help of your pow function. हमने ये क्वेश्चन आपको पहले भी बताया था, बट पाव में यूज किया था. ऑप्शन ए इज योर एरर. ओम इज क्विक टू आंसर. सौम्य रंजन पंडा says A. Santosh says A. Now this time I'm quite happy that everybody is participating. Good. Om Prasad Panigi. Roshan Patra. INT IRS not initiate in the question, sir. INT RES, previous one you are talking about. No, in the question it is not given, but you have to store. If the mechanism says that it returns the value and you need to store, then you must, in case of conditional operator, you must declare a value, variable to store it. So that's why it is not required in that case. In this case it is required. So everybody is saying error. Now can anybody tell me the reason behind it? Why it is going to show an error? Without wasting your time and my time, why don't you give me the reason so that I can understand whether you have understood the answer rightly or you are thinking something different, which is not the right way for this question. शायद आप कुछ सोच रहे हो और ये लग गया इस आंसर के लिए, बट क्या आप सही सोच रहे हो क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से, वो बहुत जरूरी है. So Priyambada Panda, denominator should not be 0. Logical error. Okay. Logical error. Okay. New name I got. Nihit Dwivedi. Which class? Nihit Dwivedi. This is a new name. I have never got this name. Sir, because we cannot divide any number by 0. Good. Fine. So if everybody has given their answer, I will move towards the answer runtime error. Okay, so obviously error is a common given over here. I'm not specific, I'm not giving a specific question that what type of error is that. It may show logical error. ना लॉजिकल एरर शो नहीं करता है कभी भी. रोशन पात्राव, लॉजिकल एरर कभी डिस्प्ले नहीं करवाता है. नंबर डिवाइड बाय जीरो इज रन टाइम एरर. यस, because we cannot divide with 0, it is runtime error. Now let me tell you, it is not going to show any error message. It will give you the output called infinite. The reason behind is it is a double now. It is not integer, it is double. So if you are not convinced with me, I can show you the example. Okay, so I'm taking you towards the Java. I'm saying system dot out dot print. I'm saying 1.0 divided by 0.0. I'm putting a semicolon. Now I'm executing it. We got infinity. It is not an error. It is giving an output. Okay, it is called infinite. Hope I'm clear to everyone. Okay, not an issue. You have joined late. It's not a problem, but you missed out few questions. Few tricky questions you missed out. Because number cannot be divided by 0. No, ICSE. I have already shown you. It is not going to show error message this time because it is that double value. It is a double value. So we can divide it. But we'll get the infinite value. So that's why I said that in this live session, you will get most tricky questions which you might have not thought about. Okay, जो नए ज्वाइन किए हैं एक एक लाइक मार दो. Because a number cannot be divided by 0. El Uma. No, I am agree with you. Number cannot be divided by 0. But in case of integer, in case of double, this does not happen. In case of double, it will divide it because it contains the fractional value. But when I'm dividing it by 0, we are going to get the infinite value in this case. Okay. Hope I am clear to everyone. Yes, everybody is saying yes, yes, yes. Okay. So I will not say only that this is going to be the answer. I will show you why it is. I will tell you the reason and I will also show you why it is happening. Now let's move for the next one. एक एग्जाम्पल ऑलरेडी मैंने दे दिया है आपको. अब दूसरा आपके सामने है. Good. We got next question in front of you. Let me see how many of you have understood it rightly so that you can answer this one also. A small change, I said, a small change in the question will give you the different answer. So yes, we got the answers now. Good. Fine, it is saying 0.0. Okay. Roshan Patro says 0.0. Everyone says now we are going to get 0.0. That means you are thinking about Nitin Divedi, option D. Okay. Nitin Divedi says it is option D, that is 0.0. Udita says it is 0.0. Priyambada Sahu says A, D. अभी डिफरेंट आंसर कैसे आ रहा है आपका? कुछ बच्चों का A आ रहा है, कुछ बच्चों का D आ रहा है, कुछ बच्चों का C आ रहा है. तो अभी तक आपको समझ में नहीं आया है, इसका मतलब आपको अभी भी समझ में नहीं आया है। तो चलो पहले आपको आंसर दिखाते हैं, फिर एक्सप्लेनेशन देते हैं। नाउ दिस टाइम इट इज नॉट ए नंबर। इन केस ऑफ पावर फंक्शन आई टोल्ड यू, in which case you are going to get not a number. Now it is when you are going to infinite, here we are going to get infinite value, and here I am going to get infinite value. Now when two infinite values are subtracted, so we are not going to get a number, that's why it is a not a number. Okay, अभी भी आपको डाउट लग रहा है? तो चलो आपको दिखा देते हैं यहाँ पे अब आपका आउटपुट क्यों चेंज हो रहा है। Now here I am putting one more bracket over here because division is having higher priority, तो हटा भी सकते हो आप 1.0 divided by 0.0. Now I am giving one more bracket to make you clear. Bracket is not required because division is having higher priority than subtraction. Just to make you clear that this is an operation infinite and this is an operation of infinite. Now when I am subtracting an infinite from infinite, we are not going to get a number. That's why the answer is your not a number in this case. Okay. Again, I'm showing you, I think output is taken away. Not a number we are going to get. So hope I'm clear to everyone now. Sir, please tell once again which one you are asking about. Why it is NaN? Uma, what exactly you are asking for? Why it is NaN is coming? So be careful, as I said, that a small change in the question will give the different answer. So you should know the reason why we are getting different answer, in which case what answer should come. Good. So everybody has given, yes, they have understood. I will move for the next question. Now next question is in front of you and options are also available in front of you. Badal Raj Sahu, yes sir. Yes. Now this time also we have the same mechanism I'm applying, but a small change. You have to observe the change, what exactly the change has been made. Now option A is coming. Priyambada, quite quick to answer. P. Sai Suvankar, 9th class. Good. Udita, Om Prasad Panigrahi. Error. Okay, I just want to request one thing to you. Just tell me your class. आपके नाम, आप एक आपका क्लास का भेज दो. आप 8th क्लास में हो, 9th क्लास में हो या 10th क्लास में हो. Just I want to see that how many of you are quickly grasping. आप थोड़ा अपना 8th 9th 10th कौन से क्लास में हो थोड़ा भेज देना मुझे. Let me see. Quickly send me. I'm just waiting for you. Roshan Patro say NaN. Good. And somebody also has given error. Somebody is giving 0.0. Different options is coming. Mohan Samantra 10th. Yes, I know you, Mohan Samantra. Piyush 10th. Sai Suvankar 9th. Om Prasad Panigrahi 9th. Santosh 10th. 10th. T. Sravani 10th. Om Roshan Patro 10th. Udita 10th. Sweetie 10th. Badal Raj Sahu 9th. Acha Badal, yes, now I got it. Prince from 8th. Subham Swain 10th. Om Prasad 9th. Yes, got it. So let's see what is the answer. Still Priyambada, I got you. Sumit Pradhan 9th. Uma. No sir. Okay, let me explain you that it is going to show an error message this time. In the basic fundamental, initially I told you when I am dividing an integer by an integer, it is going to show you the error, that is cannot divide, arithmetic error, that is number cannot be divided by 0. Now if you are not sure about my answer, then I will show you also. As I said that I will prove everything in front of you, that only don't take it for granted because sir is saying. It should be proof in front of you. So let's run this. Got it now? Runtime error I got. Look at this, arithmetic error it is showing. Okay. Now hope everyone has understood. A small change in the question will give different answer. G Sanchita Patro 10th, L Uma 8th, because it is not a number. No, it is not because of not a number, because integer divided by integer. Okay, in case of float, it will give you the result, but it will give you the result in the form of your infinite. Is it clear? But if any arithmetic operation is done between infinite value and infinite value, then it is called a not a number. These three things you have to understand. Again I am repeating. Listen carefully. Sahil, I understood. Yes, I know. With your name I understood. Yes, it is Sahil from 10th. Okay. Now I am explaining you and giving a conclusion that if an integer divided by 0, it will give you the error, that is your runtime error. It is coming under your exception, that is called arithmetic exception. Okay. Next, number 2, when I am dividing a double value with 0.0, then in that case you will get infinite value. But when we are making any arithmetic operation between two infinite value, that becomes your not a number. Now the last question is in front of you regarding this mechanism. एक last question मैं पूछना चाहता हूं regarding this. Now what I am doing, I am saying 1 by 0.0, let it be, रहने दो इसको 0.0. Now what will be your answer? Quickly now give me your answer. अगर आपको समझ में आया तो इसका आंसर आप परफेक्टली दोगे, अभी आपसे गलत नहीं होगा. अगर आपको फिर भी समझ में नहीं आया है तो गलत हो जाएगा ये. Let me see how many can give the right answer. It's error, not a number, not a number, not a number, not a number. NAN. Roshan Patro, NAN, NAN, NAN. Home, error, not a number, sweetie. What about Megha? Are you unable to understand? I'm not getting your answer, Megha. Udita, not a number. Subhasri Bishui, not a number. Megha, late aa raha hai Megha. Okay. So, we got not a number. Can anybody tell me the reason why we are getting not a number? Again, I'm telling you why it is not going to show error message, because we know this is an impure expression. Now, numerator will be automatically converted, implicit conversion. It is 1.0 automatically. So that's why it is not going to show any error message. So good. Everyone has understood now. Shubham sign, not a number. Yes. तो और एग्जाम्पल नहीं चाहिए इसमें आप लोगों को, आपको समझ में आ गया. तो चलो स्लाइड में चलते हैं अभी. Next question is in front of you. String st is equal to, this is rs20, system.out.print. Now we have these options. Now I am using substring and with two parameters available over here. In between I am using equals to operator, and this side also substring. Now we know equals operator returns the result in the form of either true or false. So आपका आंसर true या false में ही आएगा. No sir, I understood, but some network problem. Okay, no problem, no problem. So equals to operator is used in between your substring. So it is evaluated from left to right, you know. The string which calls the method will be compared with the parameter string. Based on that, you have to make the comparison. Home says true. Now option B. Now we have two options. You might have not observed, we have two options. If your answer is true, we have two options, A and B. So why your answer is not A? Send me why your answer is not A. Option A. Why your answer is not option A? Because option A is also having your true value. Because is equals is true will be in the lower case. Yes. Yes. Preferred keyword should be, predefined keyword should be start with a small letter. Now keyword, all the letters are in lower case. Not the first letter, all the letters. Output will be in the lower case. Because the boolean value, is your true, is lower case. Returns the lower case true. Yes. Now we have right answer is called true. Substring is your is, because 0 1 2, this is your 0 position, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and the space is your 4, this is 5, this is 6, and the space is your 7. Now substring 2 comma 4, where 4 is excluded, so that means 2 to 3. So your 2 to 3 is your is lowercase is. Okay. Now 5 to 7, 5 to 7, where 7 is excluded, so it is your 6. So 5 to 6, 5 6, 5 6 is your is again. So is equals to is your true. Next question with your option. Next question available with your option. May I know who is asking for this Python? Sir, please make a video on Python. May I know who is asking for this Python video? Roshan Patra says C. Now A, B, C. C is your false one. Okay. Everyone is giving the answer called false one. Index of P 0 1. Option C. I'm really surprised with your answer, beta. Just hold on. Hold on, hold on. Just check it out the question again. Hold on. Everyone is giving option C. Recheck the question. Recheck the question. Recheck the question. What exactly the question is asking for. Don't get hurry. Not just talking about equals method. Its answer plus operator is available, and this part is give you your answer is 1, and this part is giving you either true or false. This part answer is your either true or false. So before giving your answer, make sure or false. Now the option is changed to D. Option is changed to D. Now option is changed to D. Nitin Dwivedi. Option D you have selected now. D is your 3. Now why 3? Can anybody tell me? Mohan Samantray say A, error. Now Soumyaranjan changed his answer to A. Om has changed his answer to A, error. Okay, let me wait for others, what the others are saying, whether their option is A or not, or they will stick with the C. Somebody has given 3 also, D. Now Om Prashad Panigrahi, answer is false 2. Okay, Sibam says error. Error. This Sanchita Patra says error. Okay. Shall I discuss? Sir, C. Roshan, stick with your answer. C. Good. Subhasri Viswai now says error. I think Subhasri from DePaul. 10th. Sahil says C. Sahil is also stick with the answer called C. Now let me see how many of you are stick with your answer. Roshan Patra is stick with his answer. Om changed his answer. Mohan Samantray changed his answer. Shivam also changed his answer. Sanchita, sir, it is C. Okay. Sweetie says C. Okay. Now it's time. I will explain now. Okay. Now the answer is error. The reason behind is that it is a constant. True or false is a constant. Is it clear? And it is a Boolean constant. True or false is a Boolean constant. Now reduce equals to reduce. Obviously it is false. So it is not a true. Whatever it may be, Boolean value cannot be concatenated. It is not concatenation now. It is physical arithmetic addition now. Because right hand side is your integer. So this is your false. Now Boolean constant cannot be added with integer constant. Because of that reason, it is going to show you an error message. Understood now? Those who are given answer option C. You cannot predict. अगर मुझे प्रिडिक्ट करके आप आंसर दे रहे हो तो आपका आंसर कभी भी सही नहीं आएगा. जो आपको समझाया गया है, जो आपको पढ़ाया गया है, अगर उसके ऊपर आप स्टिक हो तो आपका आंसर सही आ सकता है. अगर आप मुझे प्रिडिक्ट कर रहे हो व्हाट सर इज सेइंग, according to that I will answer, then you cannot able to give the right answer. So yes, everybody says that we have understood. Okay, next question. So look at this. I'm just explaining. It is your false because it is case sensitive. This is in lowercase, this is in uppercase. This is case sensitive, that's why result is your false. Now next, apple dot index of p. This is 0 index position, this is 1 index position, so this will give you a 1. Now false plus 1 will generate your error message. Next one with option. We have one more question in front of you with an option. Quickly give me your answer. Roshan Patra says A, error. Shankar says Santosh Kumar A, yes, good. Everyone is quick to give the answer. Yes, everyone is giving quick answer. Okay, now few candidates are giving the answer called C. Om Prasad says C. Sumit Pradhan says C. Om says C. Udita Panda says C is your false one. Okay. Now A is your error. Okay, you are stick with your answer A and C. So we got two options now, A and C. Obviously, you are clear that 2 will not come because it is index of position is 1. So now the question arises between your error and false one. Udita Panda says, I'm giving you one more chance. Observe the question again. Observe the question again. I request you to check the question again. कहीं पे कुछ तो चेंज किया गया है, यहाँ पे कुछ तो डिफरेंट है, यहाँ पे सेम क्वेश्चन तो रिपीट नहीं है. Still, Sai Subankar is stick with the answer called A. It's an error. Sanchita A. Error. Om Prasad Panigrai says C. That is your false one. Sumit C. Santosh Kumar A. Error. Okay. Fine. Let me explain you. Now look at over here. Now the answer will be false one. The reason behind is reduce dot equals reduce. Obviously, it is going to give you the false. Now this one we know it is going to give you 1. Now look at over here. We have a space over here. Is concatenated with the false. So now the false is not a boolean now. Now it is converted to string. Now string can be added with 1 integer. It is now not arithmetic addition. This is your concatenation now. This is your concatenation. So that's why it is not going to show any error message. Hope I'm clear to everyone. Now those who have given the option C is the right answer. Now this is the last question. Now we'll move towards the program. The false one now. Question says that write a program to accept a number and check if it is 3 digit. Now it is talking about 3 digit number. 3 digit number. Then only display the middle digit of the number. Otherwise display error message. So here the example is if I am inputting 123, the output will be your middle digit, that is called your 2 is displaying. But only if it is 3 digit number. Otherwise it is not going to show you. It will show you the error message. So now I will take you towards the Java. Now if you have understood the question, then we'll start the programming. Clear about the question? If you are yes, then I will move towards the programming part. How we are going to perform this one. Okay, for this I need to accept a number, so that's why I will declare a scanner class object. Now my question towards you is that how to check whether a number is 3 digit or not. That is the first question that we have to solve. That is the first part we need to solve, that how to check whether it is a 3 digit number or not. So let's scanner ss is equal to new scanner system dot in. Now system dot out dot print enter a number. Now int no is equal to access dot next int. Okay, now over. Now we'll check whether the number is a 3-digit number or not. Now you have not given your answer yet. अभी तक आप लोगों का आंसर नहीं आया है. How to check whether a number is 3-digit number or not? पहले तो मुझे चेक करना है, अगर ये 3-digit है, then I will move ahead. If the number, Santosh says the while number is, Roshan Patra says greater than 99. Santosh Kumar says that greater than equals to 100 and less than equals to 999. It's included. Number is greater than 99 and excellent. Less than equals to 999. Greater than 99 is your 100 and less than 1000. Yes, Roshan Patra, good. Now you have changed. We don't need while loop this time. Soumya Ranjan Patnaik, Soumya Ranjan Panda. Yes, everyone has given correct answer. While loop is not required in this case. Is it clear? So we can write if the number is greater than is equals to 100, or simply we can say 99, greater than 99 is your 3-digit, and number is less than 1000, we can write less than 1000. डबल इक्वल्स टू कहां लगता है? ओम प्रसाद पाणिग्राही, डबल इक्वल्स टू कहां लगता है आपका? लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 999 भी हो सकता है, लेस देन 1000 भी हो सकता है. ओके, वी गॉट द कंडीशन. सो इफ इट इज ट्रू आई विल डिस्प्ले इट, अदरवाइज आई विल से सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंट. एरर मैसेज पहले दे देते हैं हम लोग. नॉट ए 3-digit number. Which one is not a 3-digit number? NO is not a 3-digit number. Now inside this I will find it out the middle digit. Okay, how to get the middle digit now? How to get the middle digit? Yes, who can say how to get the middle digit? अब middle digit का logic क्या है? Quickly. लॉजिक आपको ढूंढना है, नहीं तो मैं बता दूंगा आपको. Nobody is having idea regarding this, how to get the middle digit. Number is equal to number by 100. Yes, because Ayushman Mahapatra, NO divided equals to 10 something. Sir, in the question, if it is not a middle digit number, display error message and had given. Sir, in the question, if it is not a middle digit number, it is not a middle digit number. If it is not a 3-digit number, not middle digit, not a 3-digit number. So, NO, you are saying divide 100. Because it is, if I am dividing by 10, I am getting the unit digit from the right hand side. But if I am going to divide it by 100, I will get the quotient. Division will give me the quotient. Okay, store नहीं करना, directly display करवाओ ना, store मत करो, directly display करवाओ. Okay, let's run this. So I am saying that 123. So I am getting 1 beta. Because 100 ones are 100, quotient is your 1. So your logic NO divided by 100 is not working. Num is equal to NO divided by 100. Yes, I have shown you. Your logic is not working. But I have shown you your logic is not working. NO divided by 100. Look at this. It is displaying the middle digit as 1. If it is a 3-digit number, then display the middle digit of the number, otherwise display an error message. Yes, any other logic from your side? Then sir, number modulo 10, number modulo 100, बस तुक्का मारते जाओ, तुक्का मारते जाओ, ठीक है। अगर ऐसा नहीं हो रहा तो सर दूसरा ट्राई करो, हाँ, मोडुलो 100 मारो। आप एग्जाम में आपको मिलेगा, ऑप्शन मिलेगा आपको, हाँ। वी गॉट 23 नाउ। अरे बेटा ड्राई रन रफली करो ना, आप ड्राई रन रफली क्यों नहीं करते आप? ड्राई रन रफली करो तो आंसर मिलेगा आपको। ट्राई नहीं करते हो, डायरेक्टली आप आंसर देते हो, क्या होगा? हाँ, मॉडुलो 3 रिमाइंडर आपका यूनिट डिजिट आएगा 10 में। मॉडुलो 100 आपका 2 डिजिट आएगा राइट हैंड साइड से, रिमाइंडर मॉडुलो 100 2 डिजिट आ जाएगा आपका राइट हैंड साइड से। गॉट इट और नॉट? Okay, let me show you. Suppose I am taking int mid is equals to, I want to convert it into integer. मैंने एक वीडियो पोस्टिंग किया था आपके लिए, आपने शायद वो नहीं देखा, इसीलिए ये वाला आपको पकड़ में नहीं आया है, ये लॉजिक आपको पकड़ में नहीं आया है। इज इट क्लियर? तो आपको क्या करना है, इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट करवाना है, नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय आपको देना है, नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय, किसके साथ आप नंबर को डिवाइड करोगे? आप नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय मैथ डॉट पाव। ओके, और एक ब्रैकेट यहां दे देते हैं, यहाँ पे मैथ डॉट पाव, किसका पावर निकालना है? 10 टू द पावर, कितना डिजिट है आपका? नंबर ऑफ डिजिट आपका 3 है, डिवाइडेड बाय 2, तो आप हाफ जाओगे। सो इट इज अ इंटीजर डिवीजन एंड दिस वन गिव यू योर डबल वैल्यू मैथ डॉट पाव। Okay, after that I will say modulo 10. Am I clear to everyone? Now here I am saying modulo 10, उसके बाद उसका रिमाइंडर निकालो जो नंबर आ रहा है। अब चलो इसको रन करते हैं। आई एम गिविंग 123, तो आई एम गेटिंग 23। एक मिनट, ब्रैकेट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया शायद, इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट करवा रहे हैं हम ना। एंटी नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय मैथ डॉट पावर 10 3/2 में डालो उसको, 2 ब्रैकेट यहाँ पे, 2 ब्रैकेट क्लोज हुआ है यहाँ पे। ये एक्स्ट्रा ब्रैकेट कहाँ पे आ गया? मैथ डॉट पाव का, मैथ डॉट पाव डिस्कनेक्टेड, व्हाई इट इज डिस्कनेक्टेड एवरी टाइम? Now yes, we got it. Now let me execute this one. 123. Now we got the middle digit as 2. Again I'm executing 589. Middle digit your 8. Again I'm executing 5 4 6. I'm getting 4 as the middle digit. Again I'm executing 1 2 3 4. Now it is not a 3-digit number. I'm saying 11 is not a 3-digit number. Okay. So hope everyone has understood. एक परफेक्ट नंबर का एक वीडियो भेजा गया था आपको, विदाउट यूजिंग बिल्ट इन फंक्शन हाउ वी कैन गेट वेदर ए नंबर इज परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर और नॉट, उसी का लॉजिक है ये। सर आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टूड, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन मी? सर इज माई लॉजिक इज करेक्ट? व्हाट यू हैव गिवन बेटा रोशन पात्रो? थोड़ा ऊपर मिस हो गया सर। ओम से सर प्लीज explain again. Okay, let me explain this. Now first of all try to understand what I am doing over here. Math.pow 10 to the power 3/2, 10 to the power 3/2. So I am just trying to get the middle value. तो अगर एक डिजिट आ रहा है आपका तो 10 to the power 1, 2 वैल्यू आ रहा है 10 to the power 2. Now 3/2 का आपका आंसर क्या आता है? Now let me show you 3/2 I am showing you. ये जानना जरूरी है, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू आर गोइंग टू गेट, बिकॉज इट इज इंटीजर डिवीजन बेटा. 3/2. Now I'm giving 1 2 3. Now we are going to get 1 over here, because 3/2 the fractional value is how much? 2 1 जा 2, बट उसके बाद पॉइंट आता है तो इंटीग्रल पार्ट लेके आ जाता है वो, तो ये क्या हो गया आपका 1 हो गया. तो इसीलिए अब ये वैल्यू क्या आया आपका, ये पूरा वैल्यू आपका आ गया 1. ठीक है. अब नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय 1, नंबर क्या है आपका, आपने दिया 123. 123 डिवाइडेड बाय 1, आपका क्वेश्चन क्या आता है, ये पूरा एक्सप्रेशन का रिजल्ट अब आएगा. 123 डिवाइडेड बाय 1, क्वेश्चन क्या आएगा, 123 आई एम डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 1. ओके. 1 1 जा आपका आएगा, यहाँ पे 1 गया आपका, तो उसके बाद आपका आया 23, वी गॉट 23. देन 1 2 जा, इज इट क्लियर. तो आपका क्या आएगा, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन निकल रहा है. ठीक है. तो अब जब ये पूरा चीज का क्वेश्चन आ रहा, अब देखिए इसका ये ब्रैकेट, यहाँ पे लास्ट टाइम ब्रैकेट का प्रॉब्लम हुआ था हम लोगों का. ये पूरा जो रिजल्ट आया इसको मॉडुलो 10 कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है आपका 12 आ रहा है. 12 मॉडुलो 10, 12 मॉडुलो 10 क्या आएगा आपका, यूनिट डिजिट बीच का लेके आ जाएगा. तो होप आई एम क्लियर टू एवरीवन नाउ. ये ऑलरेडी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है विदाउट यूजिंग बिल्ट इन मेथड हाउ वी कैन डू दिस. सर आई हैव सेंट द लॉजिक अबोव. Roshan Patra for int I is less than equals to 3 I plus plus, then d modulo equals to 10, then d store the middle value. 3 तक जाएंगे हम लोग, 2 बार जाएंगे. yes it is possible, because every time I am overwriting the contents of the d value, every time I am overwriting the contents of the d value, so I am moving up to 3 digits, so less than 3 मतलब 2 तक जाएगा. Yes, Roshan Patra, this logic is also is going to work. Okay, so I'm just applying your logic also. For int c is equal to, आपने क्या लिखा है, c is equal to, आप 1 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, then c is less than 3, मतलब 2 बार जाएगा c प्लस प्लस. नाउ आई एम सेइंग बाहर में लेना है अभी हमको, int dig is equal to initial is 0. now here I am saying dig is equal to no modulo 10. तो पहले यूनिट डिजिट लेके आएगा, फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम 10th डिजिट लेके आएगा. आप मिडिल के बदले आप dig डाल दो. तो 123 you will get आपका. अच्छा, ये फर्स्ट टाइम n is c is 1, तो आपका यूनिट डिजिट आ गया 123 यूनिट डिजिट आ गया आपका 3. नेक्स्ट टाइम c प्लस प्लस इट इज 2 लेस देन 3 इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट टाइम आपका, अच्छा आपका नंबर तो चेंज नहीं हो रहा है ना, यहाँ पे नंबर को चेंज करो बेटा. आई मिस्ड इट आउट, यू हैव नॉट चेंज द नंबर. no डिवाइड इज इक्वल टू 10. नेक्स्ट टाइम नंबर को 12 बनाना ना, तभी तो यूनिट डिजिट 2 आएगा. नंबर तो 123 ही जा रहा है एवरी टाइम. Now I will get this one. Now I will get this one. नंबर को reduce करना पड़ेगा, नंबर को reduce करना पड़ेगा. So if you want less logic, less number of codes, then you have to strong in mathematics. मैथ में थोड़ा स्ट्रांग हो जाओ, तभी जाके आपका ये प्रोग्राम हो सकता है. तो चलो और एक प्रोग्राम करें, या फिर लेट हो गया है. We'll say good night. In the next class we'll do other programs. Okay, इसीलिए मैंने आपको ऑप्शन पूछा था, मोर नंबर ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स और मोर नंबर ऑफ MCQs. 10 MCQ जा रहा है तो एक ही प्रोग्राम हो पा रहा है 1 घंटे में. तो इफ यू वांट देन वी कैन reduce the MCQs to 5 and program 2. So 5 program, 5 MCQ, 2 program. 10 MCQ, 1 program. Yes, you just give me your confirmation whether you are more interested in a programming part or more interested on your. Soumya Ranjan Panda says 5 MCQ and 2 options. Already pooling is given, beta. I've given the pooling. Just let me see 5 MCQ and 2 programs. 69, 64%. $67, 30 तो क्लोज कर रहे हो आप. 67-33 आ रहा. अच्छा 71-29 हुआ है अभी. So according to your pooling only I will do number of MCQ or number of programs because both are vital for your examination. यहाँ आपका इक्वल सुमित प्रधान से 50-50. May I know who is this Sumit Pradhan? Last time also I got an pulling like this 50-50. This time also I am getting 50-50. 74-26 हुआ है अभी. ठीक है, तो 74 वोटिंग मिला है आपको. 5 MCQ 2 प्रोग्राम. So okay, next time onwards we'll do 5 MCQ and 2 programs. So in the meantime, I will say good night to all of you. अगर आपको ये लाइव क्लासेस अच्छा लग रहा है, आई विल रिक्वेस्ट शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. जितने बच्चे आएंगे, जितना पार्टिसिपेशन ज्यादा होगा, उतना लॉजिक हम लोग सीख पाएंगे यहाँ पे. जैसे कि अभी रोशन ने एक डिफरेंट लॉजिक दिया, तो विद इन अ स्मॉल पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वी कैन हैव मोर नंबर ऑफ लॉजिकल डिस्कशन. जितने बच्चे बढ़ेंगे उतना हम लोगों का लॉजिकल डिस्कशन अच्छा रहेगा. ओके, सो गुड नाइट टू ऑल ऑफ यू.